You may be interested in the Dolphin Alavo system, but aren't sure about the next steps or who you should be talking to. If you're not sure about the Dolphin Alavo system and what it is, we suggest watching the What is Alavo video, linked below. My name is Robert Woolridge. I'm the Chief Financial Officer of Dolphin Solutions, and shortly we'll be going over the 8 steps in the design, installation and delivery of your Alavo system. Step 1. Initial interest and information gathering. You might be past this stage, but this is where you or your designer will be looking to see if the Alavo system is suitable for your washroom. At this stage, we suggest getting in touch with our specification team, who can get you all the information you need. To do this, we suggest using the contact form linked below this video. Step 2. Initial design. At this stage, our specification team are most likely to send your designer to our free online Alavo Configure tool. At this stage, you'll input the dimensions of your Alavo system, generate some initial drawings and reference numbers for use later on in the project. If your project includes bespoke accessories fitted to the unit, or maybe non-standard mirror lengths, then the free online Alavo Configure tool may not be suitable. In this instance, the specification team are there to work directly with you and your designer to make sure you have all the information you need. Step 3. This is where the specification and design of your Alavo system is finalised and agreed. This is normally driven by your designer, but Dolphin do offer a design and specification assistance service if required. Step 4. This is where the project goes out to tender to find the right contractor to install the whole washroom. At this stage, Dolphin will receive inquiries from the various tendering contractors, provide quotations and also assist them through the process. At this point, it's important to consider project timelines with regards to the Alavo system build schedule. Step 5. Some larger projects might require a mock-up system to be produced. This is a fully functional but small-scale example of the final design. This allows a client to see the real look and feel before placing a final order. At this stage, we recommend communicating this requirement as early as possible to accommodate build schedule. Step 6. Final price will be confirmed with the selected contractor and a purchase order placed with Dolphin. Step 7. Once the order has been placed, our design team will produce detailed final design drawings for approval. These may include some last-minute changes from the designer or client. Step 8. Delivery and installation. From sign-off, there is typically a 10-week lead time to build your Alavo system. However, this is project specific, so recommend confirming it before finalising project schedule. Please note that any late changes in design can result in extended lead times and also changes in cost. If you have any further questions about the Alavo design and build process, or would like to get started, please click on the contact form below. We'd love to get in touch and discuss your project. If you've got more questions around what Alavo is and can do for you, please click here.